Why did you take those?
I was emotionally unprepared.
Is that a report or a memory?
You're turning into a philosopher now?
You look very official today.
Why, thank you. Ready to tell us what you heard earlier?
Stand straight.
I am standing in my truth.
Fair enough.
This is an interesting experience. Relating for their work. Fuck me, I see goose. This office, how the great day is. This is FirstNet land.
Mr. Feathers, why did you take the food from the evidence fridge?
Stress affects decision making.
Order.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Listen up, feathered friend. One more outburst and you'll be spending the night in the evidence cage. Understand?
She inspires responsibility.
What? Did you? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, just tired.
Consequences are loud.
Oh man, really?
He has a way with timing, huh?
Yeah.
Hang tight, we'll sort things out.
They saw the action, not the intention. They only heard the snap, not the reason. Oh, cruel misinterpretation.
Hey, easy there, buddy. We know what you meant.
You mind if I ask a personal one? What's your home life like? Anyone you go back to?
Complicated.
Complicated, huh? Didn't expect that. All right, we can circle back.
All right, that's the last statement. Let's get this wrapped up. There we go.
I misread signals.
Did you now? Happens to the best of us. Thanks for the honesty, partner.
Physics betrayed me.
Oh, no kidding. Great. More cleanup.
You saw nothing.
You're writing the...
Stop! Okay, drop it. That's chocolate. Seriously, buddy, that's not good for you.
Good.
Yeah, I bet it is. Come on, give me that. There we go. You're gonna make me call the vet again, you know that?
Yum.
And what seems to be going on with you today?
I overthink.
All right, let's make a note of that. We'll take a closer look, see what we can do.
Listen, buddy, one more loud outburst in the lobby and animal control gets the call. Cool?
You are fur, but fair.
Yeah? Glad you think so. Let's keep it that way, all right? Good bird.
Her. Nobody listens when I say cracker. They think I'm joking. It's not a snap request. It's a code for I'm stressed. Communication breakdown, ma'am.
You're telling me cracker doesn't mean cracker?
Exactly. Context matters. Tone, posture, feather fluff. It's all language.
Okay, so what are you trying to tell us
That
right
I'm
now?
calm, cooperative, and still want that cracker.
Silence is confusing.
No way. Did you just say that?
Yeah, you did. All right, buddy, just hang tight right there for me. We're almost done. I know it's not the most exciting spot.
Stillness is difficult.
I hear you. Just a few more seconds. You're doing great. Look at you, all set for your mugshot.
It's past bedtime, officer.
You think I don't know that?
You look tired. Little coffee left.
Thanks for the update, Detective.
I'll keep watch. Quiet night.
You're supposed to be quiet, too.
You keep biting the evidence tags, buddy, and I'm gonna have to move you to the other precinct. Different cage, different people, all new smells. You understand me?
Change is challenging.
Yeah, it is. Then help me out here so we can stay put, all right?
You know you're on camera, right? That's you right there.
It was a moment.
A moment, huh? Well, try not to make it a habit.
You realize you're a witness, not a suspect, right? Shaking your head at me like that? Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Oh, now you agree?
Mm-hmm. Smart bird.
Yeah, I think you know exactly what you're doing.
Of course I do.
Case closed.
Mr. Parker, this is the last time I'm going to say it. One more outburst and you'll be held in contempt. Do you understand?
Nods. Got it.
Good. Let's keep this proceeding respectful. We're clear?
Clear.
Your Honor, he'll stay quiet. See that he does.
Easy, buddy.
That escalated quickly.
You're okay. Just watch.
All right, here goes. I really don't like signing these releases, but rules are rules. There, all yours.
All done?
Yeah, all done.
Some choices linger.
You're making quite the entrance tonight, buddy.
All that is on me, officer.
Yeah, no one's missing you with those wings out.
Somebody home?
I'm out.
Whoa, what in the world?
Missed me. Door was open.
Dispatch, this is Rodriguez. Our green friend just flew in on his own. Stand by.
Copy that. Good bird, right? Good bird.
Yeah, you're something
that.
else, buddy. Why'd you come back?
I forgot something.
Yeah? What'd you forget?
I'll remember in a minute.
Take your time, buddy.
For the love of paperwork. But hey, I'm innocent till proven squawky.
You are impossible, you know that?
Impossible and adorable.
Yeah. Keep smiling, troublemaker.
All right, buddy.
Loud bang!
You remember what happened last night?
Loud bang! Hands up! Just like that.
Mm-hmm.
Then he ran. Fast! Feathers flew.
You mean papers?
Papers, feathers, same mess.
Did you see his face?
Hood up. Shady guy. Smelled like popcorn.
Popcorn?
Salty. Popcorn.
Noted.
You ready, buddy?
Lessons were learned.
Oh my God. Did you hear that? Perfect. He sounds just like the captain.
You decided to behave for me today, huh?
Behave.
Good choice.
Quiet?
Yeah, station's calmer when you're quiet. That's perfect. Hold it just like that. You're making me look good, you know.
Good.
All right, show us what you got, buddy.
Ready?
Here we go.
Good evening, officers.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Remember this moment. Cop.
Good boy.
Good morning, camera.
Good morning, camera.
Suspicious.
It's just recording, partner. No need to interrogate it.
I'm watching you.
Yeah. You said the same thing to the coffee machine.
It beeped at me first.
Uh-huh.
Anything else you want to report?
Donuts and evidence. Highly suspicious.
I'll note it. Thanks for keeping us safe.
You settling in, partner?
He looks like he's about to brief us. And protect the snacks.
Oh, that's an order now.
He takes sustenance very seriously.
Don't worry, we've got the break room on lock. Nothing's getting past us.